Welcome back. We've established that the queue is the ultimate tool for inter-thread communication. While we used the default queue in the producer-consumer pattern, the queue module provides 3 different classes based on how tasks should be ordered. 1. Standard queue using the queue class. This is the default and most common type we used. It implements the FIFO principle, first in, first out. Tasks are processed in the exact order they were submitted. You use this when the order of arrival is important, such as processing user requests or logs in sequential order. 2. LifoQueue using the LifoQueue class. This implements the LIFO principle, last in, first out. This structure behaves like a stack. The last item added to the queue is the first one retrieved by the consumer. You may use this in scenarios where you want the latest changes or revisions to be processed immediately, like in an undo history stack or processing newer requests first. 3. PriorityQueue using the PriorityQueue class. This type processes items based on their assigned priority, regardless of when they were added. When using this queue, the items must be tuples where the first element is the priority number. The lowest number means the highest priority. You would use this for mission-critical applications where error reporting must happen before processing standard tasks, or when managing different service tiers. To summarize, these queues give you flexibility in how you manage tasks in a concurrent environment. Our next lecture 26.22, Types of Queues. See you there.